starting with?
So everybody, good morning and welcome to week 1. And I'm just gonna play something, and you can listen and sing along, and it's Amazing Grace. Yes, I know, but never mind. Not gonna do much. Not really much of a lessony day today. It's just a technology day. Hello, Anne. Hello, Anne. You didn't tell me hello, Anne.
Hello, Anne. I'm just singing on the phone. Hello, Anne.
So I'm going to play Amazing Grace, and you can all sing along. All right? See what happens. And I've got a delay, so a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 intro. Starting. If you want to make any comments as we're going along, just type in the right hand side. I will see your comments and will respond immediately, except for the delay. So there we are. Is that better? Well, it is. Right, I'll do that once more. And if you want me to play any parts or any bits and pieces, just type in your request. One. Oh, hello. Somebody's on the phone. 1, 2. So, did anybody, if there's anybody out there, want to hear any of the parts? Because I'm quite happy to do that. You can play anything you like, anything of this Amazing Grace. No? Okie dokies. Well, I'll just put that away and see what happens next. Why don't we do another easy, simple, I don't know, is it 2 pages? No. This one is All Through the Night. You may notice they're in alphabetical order. What do you think? All Through the Night? Da, 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 da.
In Welsh.
Yeah. You realise I'm talking to myself here. Not so good.
Gilda, yes, I can hear. And Anne says okay.
Oh, well, good. That's 2 of you then. Is there anybody there?
Yeah, Gilda and Anne.
Yeah, fine. Right, okay, so All Through the Night. Oh, no. see how we get on. This is written out in 4 parts. Right, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Were there any bits you wanted to hear again? Bass parts? Did you want to hear those? No? Okay.
No, what have we got that's jolly then?
Okay, so let's go on to Cole Porter. See if we can find something in here that's jolly. I mustn't go too fast, otherwise I'll be finished and you'll still be on page 1.
Oh, Sarah's in. Sarah's in. Hello's from Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Well, let's have a look at Cole Porter.
Page.
I've got my assistant. I'll introduce my assistant Rachel with me today.
Hello, ladies.
And she's here because I can't read your comments from here. So there's 3 of you at the moment, as far as I know. Now I'm looking at page 11. Bar 179. I don't know how clearly you can hear me. Anna says hello, Rachel. All right. Something.
I've got Mum with me too. So Mum's there.
Oh, Sarah's there too. So that's 4 of you, 5 of you now.
Yeah.
That's good. So I'm looking at page 11. I'm just going to do the happy bit in the middle. It's all very slow, isn't it? And I'm going to go from the piece you all recognise. Now, if you want to hear anything again, or if you want to hear anything again, just write a comment in the box over there, and I will play it. Okay. And this is difficult because
Sarah says we haven't got page 11. It's the smaller score.
What? What? You haven't? Who's got page 11? I can't believe you haven't got page 11.
Okay.
What's a smaller score? Oh well.
What else would you like?
I just play the vocal parts then. Have you all got page 16? I take it you have.
It's fine if you just give us the bar number.
Yep.
Bar numbers are fine.
Bar numbers coming up. 2 5.
Go back to what you were doing.
2 5 3.
Okay.
I'm going to go on from there.
Patricia Carpenter. You have Patricia Carpenter.
Hello, Patricia. That's a bass part. That's the introductory bass part. I bet it's not as smooth as the other things you've been looking at. What's that chap's name on the radio, television? Wardall or somebody? They're all listening to. There we are. Right, here we go, bass part. 2-part. Now I bet some of you would like those last few notes played for you, and as you're at home and nobody else is listening, I'm going to play from bar 315, and this is the soprano part. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, and this is the long note, goes on forever. Gosh, I'm listening to the rain. And now I'm still going from 315, and this is the alto part. Who's out there?
No one.
Pam is there.
Oh,
Three, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2. There's a bit of moving around, doesn't it? The alto
Gilda
part.
says it sounds a bit slow, and it's Pen, not Pam. Pen.
Oh, is it?
Gilda says it's a
Well,
bit
I'm
slow.
wait. I'm going. My assistant's supposed to tell me that. Okay, so yes, it is a bit slow. It's probably because I'm playing it slow, because I know there's a delay. But anyway, 315. Here's fast. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Here's the bass part. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, etc. Here it is again. And the notes are Here's a tenor part, and you know what it is because it's the same as all the other parts. Here it is. Once again, everybody. There's a bit of Cole Porter. I can't believe we haven't got page 16.
They have. It was the bars. If you do it by bars, they've got it.
Oh,
So do it by bar.
Page 16 then, in Cole Porter.
Somebody says it's page 5.
It's 254 bar number.
Yep. 253. Handwritten.
Oh, good. Yeah, well, more or less. Now, I'm ready to go. Starts with the bass parts. I can't play all the parts because I've got no choir here. So I'm just going to play the singing parts only. And then the alto part. Soprano part. All together. Ooh, there we are. 4 weeks. Anything?
Yep, Pamela Hadley has signed in to say she's just found out how to do a message, so hello.
Oh, hello. Yeah, all messages gratefully received. Now, does anybody want to hear any bit of that again?
Somebody wants to sing Can't Help Falling in Love.
Yes. Where is that? Can't help falling in love. Is that in here?
No.
Strange dear. Oh, it's a different piece altogether, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to find it for you. It's in the C's.
Yep.
We're alphabetical
Yep.
today, and it's in the red folder.
Yep. On it.
And if you actually want to learn something, you can. Did I say that unmentionable word?
Can't help falling in love.
Yeah, I can't believe that you. Thank you. Oh well, I'll just play it, and you can sing away at home. I hope you're not in the bath, anybody. And again, if anybody wants to hear any parts, because you're on your own, you don't have to worry. I'm happy to play them. Ready? Are you all ready with Can't Help Falling in Love? Yes. And here it is. Now,
no comments.
Did anybody want to hear any parts in that? Or are you just singing away in the kitchen? Or maybe you're not. Hang on. Somebody
Soprano
said so.
part from bar 11, please.
Rightio, bar 11. Right. Ooh, we're 19. Oh, bar 11. Gotta find it. 16, 13, 10. 11. Yes, got the soprano part. Shall I stay? And don't forget, there's only a half a triplet at the end of that line.
Pamela says, lovely, I sang that really well.
So you did. Shall I stay? Here are the soprano parts.
Bar 11.
3, 4. Yes, and there it is. Do you do that, everybody? If you're any sopranos, coming up that little wiggle. Bit more. Tell me when to stop. Do you want to hear the next bit?
Yes, I would. That's fine, thanks, says Sarah.
Okay, good. Right. Did everybody get the wiggle? There we are. That's the end of Can't Help Falling in Love. Let's have... I'm going to do a couple of Glories of Love because you don't know it very well. And all I'm going to do is first page. Sopranos and altos, which is quite useful. And 1, 2, 3. 1. Basses. 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off. 1. There's a bass and tenor. And 1. 1. Da 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 da. And it goes straight on to that next note. Doesn't hang about. Alto part, of course, is the same, except when we get to the top of page 3, it changes. So I'm going to go from the very beginning, bar 4. Am I shouting? I probably am. Bar 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. Basses and altos, tenors. Everybody.
Sarah says, no, you're actually a bit soft. Not
Oh.
shouty at
Right. And then you stop altos. You stop, so you get to. That's the story of that's. And stop of. And then you go into the next bar. 1. I said this. Right, so I play that without the funny break me shouting. Okay. 1. Do it together and 1. Got it? And now bass. So they sing along. And you come in 1, 2, and. difficulty, isn't it? You don't sing the tune. So I'm going to play again for you. Take a little at the beginning. They start off. You come in with and that's the story. Bass tenor. 1, 2. There we are. So, basses, you've got the difficulty in finding this note when you got to break a little. That. So it starts, it goes back to the same note as break a little, and let your poor heart, and let your poor heart break. Same note. That's the story. And on 1. Okay, so from the beginning. Oh, that's out. There's the first couple of pages. Do you want to do any more? Are there any nasty bits? Well, not really. We've got each other's arms, I suppose. We've got at the bottom there on bar 25, page 4, when the world is through with us. Is it? There, got it. 3, 4, 1. Yes, it's more of a cooker, isn't it? Bum, 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 bum. And here comes the parts. Lovely sound. So get to page 9 and things go a bit tricky. And I'm going to do bass part, and these are. Oh, are there any notes? No. Well, I'm looking at bar 28, 29, 30 basses. Did you notice that's the same note as lose? Lose a little, and then we've got it again. Always have. Do that again. places. Fill in. Here we go, altos. Unison. 34. I'm going to go back this time for altos to bar 20, 22, 23, 24 and when the world. 1, 2, 3 and oh, which part am I playing?
Alto.
Alto part. 2, 3. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 1. And unison. 2, 3, 4. And did I do the bass? I'll do the bass from the very top of page 4, which is bar 21.
Done the bass. It's the sopranos you haven't done.
Oh, sopranos. I have. Oh no, I haven't. 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Soprano, 1. 1. So unison. Well, we're doing quite well up to there. Let's see how we get on from the beginning. Page 1, or page 2. I'm going to play my parts now, why not? I'll turn the page over in a second. Okay. Coda. No, I have to go back to here.
Okay.
I've gone back to 21 on page 4. That's where we return to. I didn't get a chance to look properly. And here we are at at 21, page 4. And then don't forget on page 3, 5, we have to go to coda. Halfway down, there's a coda. Yes, there is, the whole back page. So here's the last bit. Would anybody like to look at coda on page 7? I can't see you.
No, there's no messages at the moment. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please, I've got.
Good. So I'm going to go through all the parts, last page. Soprano. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, off. 1. Now that last bit you've got to give a little love is little, and it's not little, it's, I hate to say that, it's not little, but it's not, it's little, so, not oldie. If you could do that, that'd be fine. You've got to give a little love. Now, altos, well, sopranos, we want to sing along. 3, 4, 1. 4, 1, 2, 3. You notice you come in early. That's the glory of love. You see your word, love, is above the stave and it's written in front of the next bar because it comes in early. 3, 4, 1. La, la. So it goes straight up there to the C. Right, I'm going to go on this time. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Another bar. 2, 3, 4. 1. That's it. And a bit of a slowdown at the end as well we'll do. And that's the alto part, not the same. Alto. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You lucky, you come down, but you're not lucky you get the last bit. Actually does go really there, straight in. And we will all put in a break. You've got to give a little okay? Breathe. Here's the basses. One. That reminds me of something. But yeah, that's the story of love. Yeah, that's the glory of love. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Breathe, break. Notice how long it was. Want to hear that again? I'm not surprised if you do. 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Break and 3, 4. So, have we got everybody in now? Here it is in full. Coda. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. Nice big breath before that too as well. And a nice big breath and relax. Breathe. There we are. Right, let's have that one. Time now. Gosh, 2 o'clock. Well, we'll do another one, shall we? Let's do a happy one. Well, we don't want to. Yeah, do you want to do the rhythm of life? We can just bang away through there.
Cheerful.
And it's jolly, it's happy, and I know you can all sing it. So, although I can't hear you,
Can you imagine?
I know you will be singing away in the back there, in somewhere in your bedroom. And is the vacuum cleaner in one hand? Yes, it is, isn't it? Vacuum cleaners in one hand. Right. Are we ready for the rhythm of life? And then we'll call it a day. Okay? Any comments?
Gilda says, yes, yes. Okay.
Oh, just wait, because I've got a delay. I'm waiting for any comment. Here we go. Penny wants to say something. What? Come on, what are they? You choose. Is that right?
What, no tea and biscuits? Sarah says, got it. Pamela Handy says, yes, please, to the rhythm of life.
Okay.
So,
Right, we're all ready then.
yeah.
Page 1, 2, 3, 4. stop in. Gilda wants to go back to 79 on page 10. Flip your wings and fly up high. There we are. And 1, 2, 3, and 1. Thank you all for joining in, and I have no idea how well that went or what your perception is at the other end. I know it's difficult here because of the gap.
Sarah says, well done us.
Yes, well done you. Let me see what your comments are. Oh, lots of comments. Support her group.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
from
you,
Pam.
Rachel. That's good. Well done,
Many thanks. It
Guild.
was good fun, says Gilda.
Excellent. And
it was great. We were a little bit quiet.
Oh,
Yellow was great.
See what I can do about that.
Pen says, amazing, I got you on page 11. Oh, Max says, well done. Pamela says, great, thoroughly enjoyed it, thank you. Anne says, good to see you.
Okay. Well, now, if I can ask somebody to hang on, I can see if I could up the volume. Where's Willie? We can see if I can get the volume to go up, because I can't hear it at all from this end. But perhaps I can get my guru to come and turn up the volume. And of course it depends on your equipment at your end as well. I'm just looking. I don't know what I've done now. I've lost you all. I've lost them, but they're all saying, yeah, it's a bit quiet. Can we get the volume to go up at all?
Are you still streaming?
Well, I thought I was, but all I did was press the volume button and it pinged back to that rubbish. Went on to another one.
Yeah, right, so you want the volume up, yeah?
Yes, please.
Oh, no, that's Uncle Yoni's
That didn't move. Oh, that did. The highest moved.
Yeah, so that should be up. Should be louder now then.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Right, well, that is louder.
Yeah.
So, same time next week.
Yep.
Yep, thank you,
That's,
Willie.
that's okay.
We have turned it up at this end. Don't forget your equipment at your end needs to go up as well. And thank you all for joining. I'm going to have a cup of tea now and look out at the rain.